welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our Chapter 13 Statistics and Exercise 13.2. This exercise we are going to deal with mode. And some problems they may ask both mean and mode. Let's see the first problem. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. What are the measures of central tendency asked here? Mean and mode. Mean. To calculate mean, we know three methods. Direct, assume, step deviation. Any one method you choose now. And we are going to calculate now mode by applying mode formula. For calculating mode, we doesn't need any other columns extra. What given data, that much is enough. For mean, we need to calculate score and FI, XI needed. So let's start our problem solution with mean. See the table. See the data, what they have given. Age in years, number of patients. Patients always frequency, consider it as FI. 6 patients are in the age of 15 to 15 years. 11 patients 15 to 25 years. 21 patients 25 to 35 years. 23 patients 35 to 45 years. 14 patients 45 to 55 years. 5 patients 55 to 65 years age. They have given this data. Let's calculate XI class mark. How we are going to get? 5 plus 15. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 5 plus 15, 20. 20 by 2, 10. 15 plus 25, 40. 40 by 2 will be 20. So directly you can write off here 30, 40 and this will be 50, 60. Now multiply FI, XI. 6 tens are 60. 11 20s are 220. 21 30s are 0. 3 6 30 and here 0. 4 3s are 12. 8 plus 1 9. 50 14s are 0. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 700. And again 65s are 300. Add this column. Summation FI XI is equal to. Add all this 0, 6, 8, 11, 13. 1 plus 2, 3, 9, 18, 25, 28. Summation FI XI is equal to 2830. Mean by direct method we are going to calculate. And do we know FI summation? No. Summation FI is equal to. Now calculate summation FI. Add this 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 20, it will be 37 plus 1, 38. 41. 61, 71, 75, 80. Now if you add this frequency, you are going to get summation FI is equal to 80. Substitute in the formula. Summation FI XI is equal to 2830 by 80. 0, 0 cancel. 8 3s are 24. 43 is left. 8 5s are 40. And 3 is left here, 30, 8 3s are 24 and 4 is left, 43, 8 5s are 40. 0.3 you have. 3 point if you keep, 30 will be there. Then what you are going to get? 8 3s are 24. So you can end up here answer 35.3 or next if you write 7 you may get. That is mean is equal to 35.37. 0, 0 cancel. Then 8 3s are 24. 43 left. 8 5s are 40. 3 left. Put a decimal. 30. 8 3s are 24. Then 60 again. 8 7s are. 8 7s are 56, so you can end up here. The mean value x bar is equal to 35.37. Let us find mode. To find mode, the given table is enough. When you are doing mean, do this table completely, end up your problem. Then once again take the table here. We don't want these two columns, right? Now first step to calculate mode, observe the highest frequency. In order to calculate mode, we need to identify first model class. What is a model class? Highest frequency. Where is the highest frequency here? Yes, 23. So let me round up with a pencil. Okay. Now let us mark here the frequency which is above. You are going to mark it as F0, F1, F2. And this is L. H class size 45 minus 35 will be 10. If this is there, you can calculate mode for the given data. Let us write now. Model class is 35 to 45 class interval range and frequency is 23. First step to find mode, we need to identify the model class in a given data. L is equal to lower limit 35, F0 is equal to 21, F1 is equal to 23, F2 is equal to 14, H class size is equal to 10. Now apply all the given data in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us substitute. Mode is equal to L 35, F1 23, F0 21, 2 into F1 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. First complete bracket, then you multiply, then you add. 23 minus 21, 2 by 2 23s are 46. Minus 21 minus 14 will be minus 35 into 10. 35 plus 2 by 11 into 10, or you just write 2 into 10, it is 20 by 11 also you can write. Now do LCM here. 35 into 11. 35 into 11 how much? 385 plus 20 by 11. 385 plus 20. It will be 405 by 11. 405 by 11, will it cancel? Yes. 11 3s are 33. And here 7 is left, 75. 11 6 are 66. Again 9 is left. Put a point, 90. 11 8s are 88. So what's your answer? 36.8. Therefore, mode is equal to 36.8. Therefore, the measures of central tendency, mean is equal to 35.37 and mode is equal to 36.8. See children, they have asked us compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. We have calculated mean 35.7, mode 36.8 years we got. So when we are comparing, you can just say the statements, that is maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years. Maximum, how we are going to get? By mode we are going to get the maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital of age 36.8 years, while on an average we get through mean. Average, the age of a patient admitted to the hospital is 35.37 years. Okay, like this we need to compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. See the second problem. The following data gives the information of the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetime of the components. So some electrical components data was given for us. We need to calculate the mode. Let's see the data. Lifetime in hours 0 to 20. Frequency always F5, right? 10 components, lifetime is 0 to 20 hours. 35 components, 20 to 40 hours. 52 components, 40 to 60 hours. 61 components, 60 to 80 hours. 38 components, 80 to 100 hours. 29 components, 100 to 120 hours is the given data. Now, in order to calculate mode, they asked only mode, there is no mean here. If we need to calculate mode, first identify model class. How we are going to identify model class? Highest frequency. In this, what is the highest frequency? Yes, is this? Mark model class with a pencil. Right? Now observe the class interval lower limit. What is the lower limit? This is lower limit. And the frequency in model class? F1. F0, F1, F2. Oh, that's it. F0, F1, F2. What is the class size? H. 80 minus 60, 20 is the class size. And 60 is the lower limit. Apply here. Lower limit is 60. F0, 52. F1, 61. F2, 38. H is equal to 20. We know mode formula. What is that one? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L, substitute here. 60 plus F1, 61 minus 52 by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. 60 plus this one, 61 minus 52 will be 9 by 2 into 61, it will be 122. 122 minus 52 minus 38, what happens? 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 90 into 20. Now next step, 60 plus 9 by. Subtract this one, how much you are going to get? 32. 9 by 32 into 20. Now can you cancel this? You can cancel with 2 tens and here 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 5s. So finally 60 plus 9 5s are 45 by 8. Let's carry the problem solution here. Mode is equal to 60 plus, okay, 60 plus 45 by 8. Let us do LCM. 8 6 48, 8 60s 480 plus 45 by 8. Add this one, 525 by 8. Try to cancel this. If you cancel, you are going to get 62.6. Therefore, mode is equal to 62.6 is your answer. Check the model range will be here. Lifetime 62.6. This answer will be in model class. 62.6 is your mode. The model lifetime of the components is 62.6 hours. Third problem. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 20 families. Household expenditure of 20 families is a given data of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. We need to calculate the measures of central tendency, mean and mode. See the table here. First column, expenditure in rupees, number of families. Number of families always frequency. 24 families, monthly expenditure is in between 1000 to 1500. 40 families, 1500 to 2000, 33 families 2000 to 2500, 28 families 2500 to 3000, 30 families 3000 to 3500, 22 families 3500 to 4000, 16 families 4000 to 4500, and 7 families 4500 to 5000. So they have given a data. You need to calculate mean. Which method, whichever method you want, you can go with it. So let me go with direct method. For direct method, I need to calculate xi, fi xi, summation fi xi and applying formula. And you need to calculate here mode. After completing mean, we are going to calculate mode. Xi is a class mark. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 1000 plus 1500, it will be 2500. 2500 by 2 means 2500 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 5 0. That is 1250 is your answer here. Next, similarly, 1750. Next, 2250. Next, 2750. Next, 3250. 3750. And here 4250. 4750. This is your score. Now multiply fi xi. It takes lengthy calculation, so you do carefully a calculation. Now I am going to complete this column. See, the calculation part is lengthy, so it takes more time to multiply. But no problem, do the calculation part slowly. Now I have done here fi xi and add all the fi xi, 5,32,500 we got here total. And add all the frequencies, it will be 200. Summation fi is equal to 200. Now find mean by direct method. X bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi, what you got? 532500 by 200. Cancel. 0 0 0 0 0 0 will be cancelled. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4.5. Your answer is 2662.5. That is rupees. What is a mean monthly expenditure? That will be 2,662 rupees 50 paise. So just correct here 200 families. It's not 20. Your frequency you got 200. So it is 200 families. A zero mistake there. And when you calculate, therefore the mean household expenditure of some families. Of how many families? 200 families. They have collected the data. Therefore, the mean household expenditure is rupees 2,662.50 paise. 2,662 is the mean average, is the mean expenditure. Okay, let's find out the mode for the given data. Mode, we don't need other columns. Just we need the highest frequency and class interval. How to see model class? Highest frequency. Where is the highest frequency here? 40. So mark this with a pencil. This is your model class. L lower limit, F0, F1, F2. And H is a class size. 2000 minus 1500 will be 500 is the class size. Let us substitute there. L is lower limit. Lower limit is 1500. F0 24. F1 40. F2 33. H 500. Mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute 1500 plus F1 40 minus 24 by 2F1 2 into 40 minus F0 24 minus F2 33 into H 500. Now that will be is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24, it will be 16 by 42s are 80. 80 minus 24 and 33. Add this 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 2 5. 80 minus 57. It will be 23 is your answer there. Denominator 23 into 500. 16 500s you multiply. 1500 plus 8000 by 23. Do LCM. 23 into 15. Just calculate in rough part. 23 into 15, it will be 5 3s 345. Means 34500 plus 8000 by 23. Add this and write here. It will be 0, 0 and 5 here 42500 by 23. If you cancel, you are going to get 1847.83. 1847 is in between this class interval, right? Therefore, the model monthly expenditure of these 200 families is rupees 1847.83. This is your answer. Right? Calculation, it takes more time, but no problem. Do slowly and do correctly. Suppose if you have done anywhere one number mistake, full problem goes wrong. Okay, these problems carries 3 marks. Be careful in doing the calculation. So with this, we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to complete this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.